Turn on these two audio settings on your iPhone for better quality sound. I love this.
Okay guys, today I'll teach you how to boost your audio quality. Yeah, you go to your settings. Once you go to your settings, you scroll down for music, then EQ, you enter EQ, then you put it at late night. Then after this, you go back, you go to accessibility, you go up, you click on it, then you scroll down, then audio and visual, then you headphone and accommodation, you click it, you on it, then vocal range, then moderate, you put slide it to moderate. Yeah, if you want it to be loud, you can increase it to strong, you know. Now if you find this video helpful, follow and subscribe. Thank you.